Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the feature because reachability must be active to work. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, and toggle reachability on. Once done, position your device in one hand and prepare the gesture. A quick downward swipe near the bottom edge or a double tap on the home area on older models. You do this to bring the top of the screen within thumb reach. Make sure your grip is stable so the phone doesn't slip when you perform the move. Next, practice the actual gesture so it becomes reliable. You perform a quick downward swipe starting at the extreme bottom edge of the screen, or lightly double tap the home/gesture bar if you enabled that option. Once you swipe or tap, watch the UI slide down about half the screen height so buttons and fields are reachable. If it doesn't trigger, adjust speed and contact point. Faster swipes and lower starting points usually work better. You want consistent results when juggling tasks with one hand. Finally, finish by returning the screen to normal once you've completed the task. Tap an empty area at the top or swipe upward to restore full screen layout. If reachability doesn't activate, first verify the toggle in Settings right arrow accessibility, right arrow touch. Next, try restarting the device to clear temporary gesture issues. Also inspect your case. Bulky or lip-protected cases can block the bottom edge and prevent gestures. If problems persist, retune your swipe speed and starting position.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.